Hey guys, I'm Carla Salinas and you're watching Daytime with Kimberly and Esteban. Today we'll be sitting down with our friends from the Payne Auto Group to learn about their commercial and fleet division. The Payne Auto Group Commercial and Fleet Sales Department is a part of Payne Auto Group's business solutions. We spoke with Director Craig Blackwell, who tells us they offer variety, quality, and excellent customer service.
Well, we're super excited because we have a standalone building that offices all of our sales staff. Most of our sales staff set a dedicated building and product placement on the expressway so that we can really display what we have to offer to all of our customers.
Craig tells us they do a lot of business-to-business sales.
So if we have customers that have special needs for their fleet as far as cars are concerned, if they're a home healthcare agency, door-to-door errands, whatever the case may be, and they have maybe a small 3 to 5 car fleet that they need a Malibu or something else of that nature, a small SUV, we can accommodate that.
When you trust the Payne Auto Group to meet your commercial and fleet needs, you don't have to worry about traveling outside of the valley.
We are fortunate to be one of the few in Texas to actually have a 5500 crane body in stock available for our customer needs. It is a $100,000 vehicle. Not too many people stock that type of inventory, but that's the commitment we have here at the Payne Auto Group.
And when it comes to variety, big or small, the Payne Auto Group has it all.
So we have 3 domestic dealerships, which is the Ford brand, the Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram brand, and then General Motors, which is Chevrolet, Buick, and GMC. Those are located here at the Auto Mall. We also have several import brands, but most inclusive is Volkswagen for all our small fleet needs, where they will service most of our cars.
Craig tells us they pride themselves on really listening to their customers.
We drill down and find out what their needs are, whether it's implementation, whether it's in a fabrication aspect of it. We will find out their business needs.
So trust the Payne Auto Group to meet your commercial and fleet needs.
Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me personally, Craig Blackwell, here at the Payne Auto Mall. I'm located in the Fiat building where our commercial department is. We're here to serve your needs.
For more information, call 956-238-4728 or visit PayneDodgeChrysler.com.